You all welcome back to brand new video. Today we're going to talk about how to eject water from your iPhone, iOS 15 or 14. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you need to do is just here open up App Store on your device and then here search for the shortcut. Here and here is the app you can see here, and you have to install this one. I have already installed this one. So after you have installed, just go back to your home screen and then open up here Safari browser and then search for the water eject shortcut. Here it is. So tap on this and then tap here on this was link and then tap on get shortcut and now tap here on add shortcut and now tap here on my shortcuts and here is the shortcut. So tap on three dots and then from here what you need to do is just tap here on these three dots and from here tap on add to home screen and from here you can edit the name and here the icon as well and then tap here on add and here you can see here the shortcut has been edit. So tap on this and here tap on begin water injection and the process has been started. So water will be injected from these speakers. So that's how you can add the water eject shortcut on your home screen and eject water from your iPhone. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.